In many places, people don't think much about water. They only need to turn a tap to get as much as they need. The water is clean and safe to drink. It is also very cheap. But this is not true in many parts of the world. Sustainable Development Goal 6 is about clean water. For a long time, people have known that safe, clean water is very important. Humans need to drink water every day. If they can't get enough water, or the water they drink is dirty, they can get sick and even die. Many diseases are caused by drinking unsafe water. In 2017, more than 2 billion people were living without safe drinking water. About 4 billion had no toilet and no place to wash their hands. In some countries, even hospitals didn't have clean, safe water. You might think that this is a problem only in poor countries, but that's not true. Even in countries like the United States and Canada, there are communities that don't have safe drinking water.